How did they get an arrest warrant for you? What was the probable cause?
I don't even think they had one. They do so much illegal stuff in Louisiana. The laws overlap each other.